Architectural Builder Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
Okay, so that's just the bracket. We don't sell that on its own. We sell it with an insert in it. So it's either T-350-A or T350-01-A, which are lefts and rights. And they're weird-looking little things, and I really don't know what an inset bracket does. Maybe if I tell you the name of it, maybe
Yeah, I have an idea, but I think what it's meant to do is to assist in attaching something like a drawer slide, but I'm not sure. I've got two of these here that I have to get installed, and I'm not sure where I'm putting them.
Okay. Let me just see if it has a picture in here that makes more sense to me than inset brackets, bracket solutions. Yeah, it attaches to the slide. I see a picture of it here.
Yeah, and that's apparently just a typical drawer slide, but
I guess, and then it can move. Well, no. It's attached at the front, and then it has the adjustable bracket at the back.
Oh, so what? Okay, so we're not looking at a bracket in the rear of the cabinet. This is only for the
front.
No,
this is in the front, yes.
Right, okay. And the fact that that slide is adjustable just allows you to deal with different length slide, different areas to attach the slide. Is that slide something that you folks sell?
No.
Okay. So that's just some cabinetry, hardware.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Do you think sales might know a bit more about it?
Sure, yeah. Let me see who's back there, okay? Because I know they just came back from lunch. Hold on one second.
Thank you very much.
This is Jeff. How can I help you?
Hi, it's Rich from Architectural Builders. How are you?
I'm good. How are you today?
Good, good. I have a part of yours. It says B-393 on it.
Okay.
I think some of the subcomponents are a T350, et cetera. So this is a inset bracket. Or a set of them, a pair of them. Can you tell me what these are used for?
Inset cabinet. So if you're doing an inset drawer fronts, doors, the drawer, most people that do a flush or inset front on a cabinet will have to use a wood block behind the face frame, and you only get one chance to get it right, and this inset bracket allows you to make an inset cabinet, install your slide, and have in and out adjustability to flush up the fronts of your drawers with your face frame.
Oh, I see. Yeah, that makes perfect sense. And that slide is, of course, your drawer slide. That's separate hardware.
That's right. Yep. So this, instead of a wood block, this attaches behind the face frame. It's got a screw included in the bag that goes through your slide, and of course the slide is mounted to the back of the cabinet. And then, the biggest problem is you can build a square cabinet, but you get that cabinet out to a home if you're doing inset cabinets. And, a home's a lot of times not level or square, so you have to go back and you can go back with these inset brackets and realign all the fronts of your drawers and get everything squared up appropriately.
Yeah, absolutely.
Without this bracket, it's impossible to do that.
Yeah, I mean, or if you're doing overlay, then you can cheat all day long. It don't matter.
Exactly. But
Inset's got to be spot on.
yes.
Well, that's great. That's exactly what I needed to know because I was lost. So thank you very much.
No problem. If you have any other questions, you just give us a shout back.
Thank you very much, sir. Bye-bye.
All right. Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Architectural Builders Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.